Can you imagine adding this much sugar to your cereal in the morning? Or how about this much sugar in your coffee in the morning? Hi, I'm Dr. Will Lane with Life Hughes. I'm going to talk to you today about some of the hidden sugars in your diet. And those examples you just saw may seem kind of exaggerated, but they're not really that far from some of the ways you're getting sugar in foods you don't even realize. So I want to show you what is considered the appropriate amount of sugar in your diet. This is 40 grams of sugar or 10 teaspoons. There's 4 grams of sugar in 1 teaspoon. And for a 2,000 calorie diet, this is considered to be the normal amount of sugar you should consume. And obviously, if you add this much sugar to your cereal like you saw before, or to your coffee, that's not good, but you're actually getting sugar in a lot of things that you eat during the day and don't realize it. So I want to show you a common soda. And I have a lot of patients that will not only have one of these a day, they may have 2, 3, or 4. And they don't even think about the calories or the sugar in one soda. So how many teaspoons of sugar do you think you'll have in one soda? I think 3 or 4 may seem like a lot, but it's actually much more than that. If you were to do packets of sugar, this is how much sugar is in this one bottle of soda. So imagine opening all of these packets and just eating them. You would never do that. It would seem really disgusting. But any time that you drink a soda with this much sugar in it, that's exactly what you're doing. So this is 16 packets of sugar. And if you were to consume 2 sodas a day, you get 32 packets of sugar, over 3 times your daily allowance of sugar in one day. If you're having trouble losing weight, that could be where it's coming from. Imagine that many packets of sugar and wondering why you can't lose weight. In fact, if you were to go through just 2 sodas a day for 2 weeks, you would go through an entire bag of sugar. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like diet sodas are that much better, and some studies say they may even be worse, which is a little confusing when you look at the label and you see no sugar in them, but they seem to have the same effect as a regular soda. But there's a lot of other things that you may eat or drink and don't realize you're getting a lot of sugar. So this is a fluid replacement drink, and the label says 14 grams of sugar, and that would be, roughly 3 to 4 packs. However, what you may not realize, there's 2.5 servings in this one bottle. So if you were to drink this whole bottle, you would have had this much sugar. So this is really a surprising amount that people are getting in and not realizing. And unfortunately, this is your entire daily allowance of sugar right here. So this entire bowl is in this bottle. So if you had nothing else with sugar in it, this would be your total amount for the day. But there's other things too that may surprise you. Let's say you can have a salad. Salads are really healthy. And you go for salad dressing and you find one that doesn't have too much fat. This is a French salad dressing. Well, if you were to do just 1 serving of this French salad dressing, which is usually about 2 tablespoons here, you would actually have 2 packets of sugar. So for every tablespoon of this salad dressing, you have that much sugar in it. And if you get a big salad, you may be putting 4, 5, 6 tablespoons, giving you 4, 5, 6 teaspoons of sugar, really quite a bit. Now, what about ketchup? Now, my kids put gobs of ketchup on everything, French fries, you can name it. Now, if you do 1 tablespoon of ketchup, for every tablespoon of ketchup, you're getting 1 packet of sugar. So you just put a little bit of ketchup on your plate, that much sugar. But if you're putting gobs and gobs of ketchup, you may be getting, again, 4 or 5 teaspoons of sugar. Let's go over to the barbecue sauce. Here in Texas and where I moved from, North Carolina, barbecue sauce is a staple. Now, if you were to use just 2 tablespoons here of this barbecue sauce, you would have this much sugar. So if you're putting lots of barbecue sauce on whatever you're eating, you really, even if it's healthy like a turkey burger, you're going to get a lot of sugar. So going through your day, you may be getting a lot of sugar that you don't realize through your salad dressing, through ketchup, through your drinks, through other condiments like barbecue sauce. So if you can start becoming aware of the hidden sugars in what you eat, it'll allow you to keep better track of how much sugar you're getting in the day, which will help you with your weight loss. One thing that may help you, I think a lot of patients I see have a problem being addicted to soda. And so what I would do is actually take a bowl of sugar, and this is 10 teaspoons of sugar, and we need to put 6 more in to represent all the sugar that's in the soda. Take a picture of this and put it maybe on your phone. And when you think of having a soda, look at that picture of all the sugar. And that may make you change your mind, and it may not look quite so appetizing, and maybe you'll be able to stay away from that soda when you see how much sugar you're actually consuming with that can. So I hope that's helpful. Have a great rest of the day and be healthy.